So today, it's a bit different, we're in front of the camera. We have a crash damage Polo Gti. Something a bit different than being on the bikes, so let's get stuck into it and get it stripped down. Let's have a look at the damage. So it's not actually too bad. We've done a wing, the bumper support bracket's gone, you see it's broke there, it's a carrying car. Bumper's gone, it's right there, that's probably repairable, but it's still smashed on the side and it's all come away. So we've got new parts coming from TPS. Let's get stuck into it. Put it back over here. Let's get it jacked up. See that? Right, so we'll start again. Now we have our lovely assistant behind the camera, the boring bit's all out the way. Let's get the arch liners off, get stuck into the bumper, taking that off, and the under tray. Let's see what other damage is occurring under here. It's safe to say how much putting in the bin. Take the rest of it off. By the time this video is uploaded, if you have got any parts knocking about, bumper bracket and an arch liner, do comment and I will be interested to buy off you. It would help if we took all the screws out. So now everything else is off, under trays and arch liners. Let's get all the zip ties off, the famous zip tie. Never took one of these off before, so not the zip tie, the bumper. We have got the oldest pliers in the world, but it's still working. This video is going to be in a few parts. Oh, see, it's off. Got the knee tools. We now might need an assistant to come and help hold the bumper.
Me? I didn't agree to this.
I know, roll that up there.
All better already.
So now the bumper's out of the way, it's time to take the wing off. Sure. So the front bumper bracket has cracked there, as you can see. That'll come off. New supporting bracket for the wing there. We'll get one of them sorted if it runs straight out. Get stuck into pulling this wing away. Everything else looks okay. Famous foam in the arch, makes sure the wings rust. Then we panic because we never took one off before, have we? That was harder than it needed to be. it on. Looks like we're going to be spanner in this one.
Should we come over?
5 and 10mm. Hidden bolts. And there she is, for the scrap. So now we're back behind the camera, we can show you what's going on. It's actually not too bad. All that side's spot on, it's fine. We'll get the bumper support bracket for this side as it is broken. This will pull out a smidges bit, it's only gone a little bit in, probably do that by hand. All the inner wing is fine. Don't look a bad car. 30,000 mile. 2 previous owners. We have already got an headlight as the original, the tabs had broken off, which is lucky. We still got the ballast. There's the new headlight ready to go in. Seats are all fine, savings were bang on. Just needs a good clean. So the next one, we're going to get the parts from TPS, get them down to the body shop, get it painted and get it built back up. So we will see you in the next one. What we call you, the breakdown. Press. Good girl. And this one?
Come on.